1 month ago, I opened VS Code for the first time and asked Claude AI to help me build a Forex trading bot from scratch. No coding experience, no trading experience, just a prompt and an idea. In 6 episodes, we went from zero to downloading real market data, to connecting a live trading platform, to building and optimizing a strategy that made plus $388. 6 episodes, 1 month, and a bot that was actually working. Or so we thought. Episode 6 felt like a breakthrough. We tested 5 RSI variants, found the winner, and walked away with our best result yet plus $388, 51% win rate. Everything pointing in the right direction. But there was one question we hadn't answered. That backtest covered 6 months of data. What happens over 3 years? This is the same Claude chat we have been using since episode 1. Every prompt, every result, every failure, all documented here in one continuous conversation. And today, we are adding one more prompt. The question is simple. Does our best strategy actually hold up over time? Or did we just get lucky on a short window of data? 3 years, same strategy, same settings, let's find out. While Claude runs this, let me explain what we are actually testing. Our 6 month backtest ran roughly late 2025 back to mid 2025. That's one specific window of market conditions. Market cycle, trending periods, ranging periods, high volatility, low volatility. 6 months might catch one type of market perfectly and miss everything else entirely. 3 years give us a much more honest picture. Bull markets, bear markets, choppy sideways markets. If the strategy works, it needs to survive all of them. This is 3 years of EURUSD data on the 15-minute time frame, May 2023 all the way to today. Every candle is a 15-minute period. There are roughly 70,000 candles in this window. Our strategy is about to be tested across all of them. And here are the results. Let me walk you through what changed. 6 months, 27 trades. 3 years, 235 trades. 8 times more trades. That's a proper sample size. Win rate down from 51% to 43%. Still not terrible, but significantly worse. And then the number that matters most. Total profit and loss 6 months plus $388. 3 years minus $43. Same strategy, same settings, different story. This is what 3 years actually looks like. You can see it holding up reasonably well through 2023 and into 2024. There are rough patches, but it recovers. Then look at what happened here, mid 2025. The account drops from its peak all the way down to 9,400. That's a 20.4 drawdown. On a real account, that would be deeply uncomfortable, and it never fully recovers. This is the honest comparison. The chart on the right, 6 months plus 388, clean upward equity curve. That's what we celebrated in episode 6. The chart on the left, 3 years minus 43, volatile equity curve that ends below where it started. That's the reality. The 6 months window we backtested happened to be one of the better performing periods in the entire 3-year dataset. We weren't skilled, we were lucky. Claude explained exactly why. The 50 and 200 days moving average on 15 minutes is too slow for that time frame. By the time the crossover fires, the move has already happened. The RSI filter helps, but it's not strong enough to compensate over a long enough sample. And then Claude gave us 3 directions to try next. Test shorter SMA window, move to a higher time frame, add a proper stop loss, and take profit. If this is useful, hit like. It helps YouTube show this to more people trying to figure out the same things we are. Code push to GitHub as always. Every version of the strategy is there, including this one. Failures and all. That's episode 7. We started this month thinking we had built something that worked. And in a way, we had. Just not for long enough to matter. The 6 months result was real. The 3 years result is the truth. But here's what I keep coming back to. We found this out now, in backtest, before risking a single dollar on the live account. That's exactly what backtesting is for. Episode 8, we start fixing it. Shorter SMS first. See which faster signals solve the problem. See you on Sunday.